we're going to be showing you how to fix a flat tire that has a nail in it. So keep watching and we'll show you how we do it. Hey, what's up guys? It's Jeff Lepard from JeffLepard.com. Today we're going to be repairing a flat tire that has a nail stuck in it. So we're going to show you how we do that with your regular tire repair kits from your local department store. So I guess what has happened is I must have rolled over a nail. As you can see, it's stuck in there. The tire's gone flat. It's going flat. So we're going to go ahead and repair it. What you need is a couple of tools. You need some needle nose or some kind of pliers to grab the nail or screw out of the tire. Then you have your patch kits. These are just little strips with your rubber cement. You'll put that around there. You'll have to make the hole, once you get the nail out, you'll have to make the hole in the tire a little bit bigger so that you can fit one of these strips in just by grinding the tire out, the hole. And we'll use this applicator to put the strips and the rubber cement in. So the first step, I just need to prepare, take a strip out to insert it into the holder. Okay, we've got that. We're just going to put that down and get that ready. So the first thing we got to do, we got to get this nail out. Okay, got that out. Now we're just going to make the hole a little bit bigger. So you just turn and keep putting it in and out. You can hear the air coming out as the hole gets bigger. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to get this rubber cement ready. Quickly pull this out and insert this. Sometimes it needs a little bit of pressure. You just want to get it halfway in. Once you get it in, you're going to pull out really fast. And there you go. So now we just have to let that set for a little bit. You can see there's no air coming out. We'll have to refill the tire up and then check for leaks. Okay, so now that the plug is in, we're just going to go ahead and fill the tire up with air. And when you're doing so, just check the tire's manufacturer PSI rating. You don't want to overfill the tire beyond the rating that your tire's PSI. So this, in this case, is 44 PSI, and I'm going to go ahead and put 44 PSI air pressure. Okay, so we just filled the tire. We're just going to cut this off a little bit. Okay. There we go. We can check from here. There's no leaks. So this is now done. That's it. It's complete. That's how you repair a flat tire with a nail. And these things are always all over the roadways. Just got to be careful for it. Watch you don't back up into these things. So that's it. Just want to thank you for watching the video. Check out the website, JeffLepard.com, and don't forget to check out our other videos. Thanks a lot, guys. Subscribe, like, share, comment, and we'll see you next time. JeffLepard.com.